Hello, I'm in a 2012 F-150, and today I'm going to show you how to use your heated and cooled seats. So with the vehicle on, these would be for your heated seats here, for the driver's side, and your AC seats, and then same thing for the passenger, your heated seats and your cooled seats. So to activate them, you just push the button once. This is now max heat on the driver's side, and you push it again to go 1 notch lower. This will be your minimal heat setting, and then again to turn it off. And same thing if you want it cooled instead. So this max cool, mid, low, and off. All the same for this other side as well. And the easiest way to double check that these are working is just while you're sitting in the seat, just leave it on for a few minutes and you should start to feel your butt get hot. If for some reason these aren't working, like none of these lights are lighting up, the first thing I would check are your fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse could cause these to not work properly. Next, sometimes you might need to check under the seats, make sure all the cables and connections are attached properly. If there's something loose, that could cause an issue. Alternatively, maybe like a lot of liquid got spilled, shorted out some of the sensors or things like that. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.